Hi, I'm Mr. O'Flanagan. Before we start building things together in this video, you should probably know a bit about your teacher. I've spent my career figuring out how things work and helping people learn to build better things. Long before I went to engineering school, I grew up around a farm. It taught me that tools have a purpose, machines must work, problems need solutions, and that people should help each other. Remember, engineering starts long before you receive a degree. Eventually, I became an engineer at Case Western Reserve University, studying computer engineering and later engineering management. This path gave my natural curiosity a proper language, covering physics, math, systems, design, and building. I've had the opportunity to work on some incredible projects, from tires and nuclear systems to biomechanics and GPU computing. Throughout, I learned that real engineering always involves constraints like cost, safety, and schedules. It's not just about the equations, it's about whether the thing actually works. As I worked, engineering changed. CAD, FEA, GPU computing, and AI have shifted our tools, but the core job has remained the same. Understand the system. These new tools are powerful, but understanding why you use them is even more important. Then, I did something unexpected. I left industry to become a high school teacher. I didn't stop caring about engineering. I realized that teaching it mattered just as much. Sometimes, the most important engineering problem to solve is helping someone else become capable. In this classroom, we learn by working safely, building, testing, and fixing what doesn't work. We also ask why and support each other. Safety and kindness are just as much engineering requirements as technical skill. Come correct, stay curious, and always try again. Teachers show up in many places. Figures like LeVar Burton, Neil deGrasse Tyson, and Bill Nye shaped how I think. They helped me imagine, wonder, and make science tangible, proving that education happens everywhere. You don't have to become an engineer, but while you're here, I want you to learn to stay curious, make things, solve problems, and treat people well. If we do that, we are going to have a great year. Welcome to engineering.